Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Google Meet app. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to start your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.